Hello, my name is Nicki Borell, and first of all, I want to invite you to the European Collaboration Summit in May in Mainz in Germany. And on the pre-day of the conference, Martina Grom and me just delivered a workshop about GDPR with Office 365 and Azure. And my perspective of the workshop is that I will just discuss with you why GDPR is not an IT thing at all and which law perspective you have to respect when you set up GDPR in your company.
Hello, my name is Martina Grom and I'm excited to have a full-day workshop on enterprise security and GDPR compliance in end of May in Mainz. The European Collaboration Summit takes place on the 28th for 3 days and I'm excited to see you there. So in our workshop we do a lot of stuff around GDPR compliance, and from the security perspective I will show you how you can make your cloud experience as secure as possible. So see you there.